Can you explain dynamic remarketing and the best place to learn it? There isn't much on it on YouTube, or you can make a video on it. I believe we have got some videos on dynamic remarketing. I'll try and put this after we finish the call in the comments underneath. But what dynamic remarketing does is usually is used for e-commerce websites. So if I went onto a website and looked at this product, right, or a cup or a phone or whatever, and I don't buy it and I go away, then I will be remarketed with this product with the photo on it wherever I go. If I go to ESPN, New York Times, all these third-party websites which are part of the Google display network, and I'll start to see those that same product photo with the price and the name of the store or whatever, and that is what is called dynamic remarketing. So you are targeting or remarketing the exact product to that person.